Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the technical jargon and features? In Google AI Studio, you're not alone. Many people find it confusing and end up missing out on its full potential. Google AI Studio is actually a really powerful tool that can help you create amazing AI applications without needing to write a ton of complicated code. It's designed to make AI development simpler, whether you're just starting out or have experience with machine learning. By using Google AI Studio, you can focus on building and training your models without getting bogged down in the technical details. This tool is all about making AI more accessible. One of the best things about Google AI Studio is how user-friendly it is. It provides a lot of pre-built templates and examples that you can use to get started quickly. Plus, it's integrated with other Google Cloud services, which means you can easily scale your projects as they grow. If you're new to AI, Google AI Studio is a great place to start because it offers a lot of guidance and support as you learn. For more experienced developers, it offers advanced features that can help you fine-tune your models and get better results. To get started with Google AI Studio, you'll need a few basic things. First, you'll need a Google account, which is free and easy to set up. If you don't already have one, you should also have a basic understanding of AI concepts, such as what machine learning is and how models are trained. Familiarity with the Google Cloud platform can be helpful, but it's not strictly necessary. Google AI Studio is designed to be accessible, so you can learn as you go. Having a computer with internet access is a given, and it's a good idea to have a notebook or some way to take notes as you follow along. The next step is to actually access Google AI Studio. You can find it by searching for Google AI Studio in your web browser. Once you're on the site, you can sign in with your Google account. After you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard that shows all your projects. From here, you can create a new project by clicking on a button that says New Project. You'll then be asked to choose a template or start from scratch. Google AI Studio offers a variety of templates for different types of projects, such as text classification, image recognition, and more. Choosing the right template can save you a lot of time and help you get started faster. Once you've selected a template, you can customize it to fit your needs. This might involve uploading your own data, adjusting settings, and training your model. The interface is pretty intuitive, with drag and drop functionality and clear instructions. If you're not sure about something, there are also plenty of help resources and tutorials available. Training your model is a key part of the process. This is where you teach your model to make predictions or classify data based on the examples you've provided. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on your data and the complexity of your model, but Google AI Studio makes it easy to monitor your progress and adjust as needed. After you've trained your model, you can test it out to see how well it works. This is a crucial step because it helps you understand whether your model is doing what you want it to do. If it's not performing well, you might need to go back and adjust your data or tweak your model. But if it is working well, you can then deploy it as part of a larger application. Let's walk through a simple example to see how this works in practice. Imagine you want to build a model that can classify images of animals. You start by uploading a dataset of labeled images to Google AI Studio. From there, you select a template for image classification and follow the prompts to customize your project. As you go through the process, you'll see your model start to take shape. You can train it on your dataset and then test it to see how accurately it can classify new images. This kind of hands-on experience is really valuable for understanding how AI works and how you can use it in your own projects. To get the most out of Google AI Studio, it's a good idea to keep your projects organized. This might mean creating separate projects for different tasks or clients and using clear, descriptive names for your models and datasets. Collaboration is also a big part of AI development. Google AI Studio makes it easy to invite others to work on your projects, which can be a huge help when you're working on a team. Utilizing the available resources is another key strategy. Google AI Studio has a lot to offer, from tutorials and guides to community forums, where you can ask questions and share knowledge with other users. Taking the time to explore these resources can really help you level up your skills and avoid common pitfalls. Sometimes you might run into issues while using Google AI Studio. One common problem is that your model isn't training properly. This could be due to a lack of data, poorly labeled examples, or something else entirely. The good news is that these issues are usually pretty easy to troubleshoot. For example, you might need to double-check your data to make sure it's clean and well organized. Or you might need to adjust your model's settings to get better results. Another issue could be that you're running out of resources. Google AI Studio provides a free tier, but if you're working on a large project, you might need to upgrade. In any case, being aware of these potential issues can help you plan ahead and avoid headaches down the line. Let's recap what we've covered. We started with an introduction to Google AI Studio and its benefits. Then, we went over the necessary tools and materials you'll need to get started. After that, we walked through the step-by-step process of setting up and using Google AI Studio, including creating an account, selecting templates, and customizing projects. We also did a sample project to see how it all works in action. Finally, we talked about best practices and common issues you might encounter. By following these tips and practicing with your own projects, you can really make the most of what Google AI Studio has to offer. So, I encourage you to give Google AI Studio a try. It's a powerful tool that can help you bring your AI ideas to life, and it's easier to use than you might think. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. Leave a comment below with your experiences, and be sure to check out more of my videos for further learning.